Creating a safe sleeping environment for infants will lower the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, commonly known as SIDS. Family child care providers can take the following steps to create a safe sleep environment for infants. Always place infants on their back to sleep for all naps and at night. Provide a smoke-free environment for infants and children. The safest place for infants to sleep is in a crib that meets the current safety standards from the Consumer Product Safety Commission. Infants should not sleep in beds, couches, mats, or in car seats. Cribs should not have soft objects such as blankets, pillows, or stuffed animals and bumper pads. Use a firm crib mattress covered by a well-fitted sheet. Do not let infants get too warm during sleep. Extra clothing and blankets should not be used in cribs. Room temperature should be comfortable for all adults, children, and infants in care.